Fibro section 4 kane kalau ngaji mentip nam ta gitu ki kandidat ki bala pas ya ka exam jong ka aglivir te kajing mare ki lapan kalama klande no hau Oktober kane la dapat mi kur kubor marbun ngatrai kim page email kim page ere ti bala page ki latip ma ka exam kande ya Oktober dengan pulih kerkum kane ka notice balapan mi na po recruiting office headquarter Shillong jong kane ka army recruitment rally all district of Meghalaya te kane ka rally ke jingmare kande po Shillong hi ne all district of Meghalaya at 58 Gorkha training center Happy Valley Shillong kande po Happy Valley Shillong khatsa hadu khatnyau Oktober arjar arpsan. Recruiting office headquarters Shillong will be conducting army recruitment rally of all district of Meghalaya Agnivir General Duty GD. That is Agnivir General Duty, Agnivir Technical, Agnivir Clerk, Agnivir Treatment 10 pass, and Agnivir Treatment 8 pass. Baro gitu ke Agnivir at 58 Gorkha Training Center, Happy Valley, Shillong from 14 October to 17 October 2025. Kan mau kiba lapas ke jing mare ngon ba pila yo ba ya ki email hapo ke email ma la da phim yo te phaban download ya kan mit kar ke jong phi lane phin haban ngas puli ko de gane the shortlisted candidate will be required to report at 58 Gorkha Training Center at 3 am lai baje men step habla report hapo Happy Valley ma station sheneng nong thamai chate karon chitu ka Happy Valley te phaban bomtip te phable jwat lupa e ka jaka marba lai baje men step ma ka dei on date as mentioned in admit card hak admit card jongki la mention ya kataring the candidate should be in possession of admit card and other document in original as mentioned in the rally notification baro ki original document divin penbiang no rengkat bat ki xerox dimendon at least kawai xerox dimendon ma original dimendon email to the shortlisted candidate have been sent murba la pha email ha ki candidate ki ba la qualify te la de pha email te sapeng informing them about the rally schedule. The shortlisted candidate who have not yet received kibom pat you receive admit card are unable to download admit card are advised to approach recruiting office. Tel da phimla ban download and phimla ban yo ite email to dam yo email dom lele re tama phidi ban la ban download ya kan admit card ko jong phi. Dengan sa pencai ba shibet sa check la yo na ban download la yo dengan sa pen EAP dengan sa batai kumno ban download. Are advised to approach recruiting office Shillong to obtain the same. The helpline number of recruiting office Shillong is 0364250477 la ai number phone ro lada phimla ban yo ekatakan mitkan and recruiting office headquarter email ID la don email ID ro phila ban shi email ne phila ban shi call rohqshillong@gmail.com the baro aktu candidate te sakan mau ban da check ban da page ba la yo nem komitkat bar sakan mau ekatarik ha kanu tarik pio khatsaun pio khasan pio khandreuna penbiang lupa lagi dokumen tementa nang biang kapor kitu mempat penbiang mentari September te lajan hi tanggal no September te kata arpo tarik te nang don hi sa shipnai duna nang don te dalam pat penbiang dokumen penbiang no te kinu don kam selai don kam te tangkan hi kijiputip pressure